Commandment number 8 is thou shalt never short a stock. So I don't think we need to spend much time here, but that's pretty obvious. We don't need to figure out what's going to happen to Tesla. That's we don't need to go long and we don't need to go short. That just falls in the too hard pile. And so, like Tesla for me, the stock, not the car, is there for pure entertainment purposes, just to watch from the front row seats as opposed to being in the arena. So we just don't need to figure out exactly what's going to happen, and we don't need to go. So first of all, commandment number 3 is you're going to be wrong 1/3 of the time. I think with shorting, you're going to be wrong like 80% of the time. So both Buffett and Munger say that they've always been right on the stocks that they thought ought to be shorted, but they were always wrong on the timing. And the timing can get very painful. Also, the math is against you, because the maximum you can make if you're right in a short position is a double. And we're not going for doubles. And the maximum you can lose is you can go bankrupt. So there's no point making bets where the highest upside is a double and the highest downside is that you're out of the game. So I shall go to my grave without ever having shorted a stock, and I think you should do the same.